It's your homeboy Prof Boy TV. I'm here again. How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you know you're watching me from. We have a lot to discuss today, and if today is your first time of joining me on this episode, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to all social media platforms. Thank you for those that have been subscribing. Thank you for those that have been sharing. May God bless you all. So we move on to our next topic for today. Nigeria singer Olarika retired his mom after he buys a house and a car. He said, all the hard work finally paid off. Bought my first crib, a sweet ride, and retired my mom. This something everybody prays for, to be able to be successful, go back and take your mother, your father, your parents out of their suffering, their present situation, or if they are presently okay or not, but retire them from working so that you can be the person caring for them. This is something everybody prays for. So may God bless you, Olarika. So you guys have seen this, and it's a big congratulations to him on his new crib and ride. That was a very good one from Olarika. Congratulations, bro. May God bless your hustle and continue to be winning and buying more. So move over to our next topic for today. This lady have a misunderstanding with her boyfriend at night. At the next morning, as the young man went to work, the lady packed all her belongings and set the house of her boyfriend on fire. Can you imagine the kind of mind some girls, some ladies have? No matter the misunderstanding both of them have at night, after the next morning, this lady still have the same grudges. After this man get dressed and hit outside and go to job, leaving his girlfriend at home. Coming back, the guy is just managing, constructing his house. Both of them are presently living. The house is not perfectly built, completed. It's yet to be complete. Now these guys still have the mind to set this house on fire. If not for the help of the neighbors, they were able to off the fire and get this girl, apprehend this girl, and get her arrested before her boyfriend comes back from work. Can you imagine the some kind of mind some girls have? Guys should be careful the kind of girl they are dating these days, because there are some girls who don't have manners, who don't take any shit, that when you have misunderstanding with them, they can go extreme to do shit to you that you ever regret in your lifetime. So be careful, guys, the kind of guests you bring to your home. So move on to our next topic for today. A heavy rainfall in Lagos, Davis Street, Faba, New Oko Oba area. A man and his car are stuck on the erosion, and the flood is carrying both of them. You can see the gravity of the rainfall. Now every area of that vicinity is flooded, and the flood is not just a little flood. The flood was able to push a car. It pushed this car away from normal road and was flowing the car to like a pit or something like that. Just that something hooked the car that makes the car not to go to the other side. That's the gravity of the erosion in Lagos right now. Government are not doing their responsibilities, because if the government construct a drainage immediately, no matter the heaviness of the rain, definitely all the water will go through the drainage. You will not see them floating outside. I believe, and I have said this on my own, I've told some of my friends that Lagos is going to suffer years to come, because they are feeling the sea, building houses and doing all these things. All these things are affecting. So watch out. Yeah, guys, you welcome back from that. The heavy rain right now in Lagos. Be careful because the government have not done anything to prevent the rainfall that is coming. Because right now Nigeria, Africa is on rainy season, while Europe are on summer season. So be careful when you go out, where you put your legs when it rains. So move over to our next topic for today. Governor Dakpo Abiodun of Ogun State have donated 2-bedroom bungalow and 2 million naira to the 2020 overall best graduate student of Lagos State University LASU Oladimeji Shotunde and EDG of the state. This is good news. These are the type of things people people were enjoying back in the days, back in the days in the 80s, the 90s. You understand? When they graduate, they graduate, there's a job, there's a car for them, there's an apartment for them. But these days, nothing like that is happening. But for this governor for Ogun State to still do this, it's a great thing he have done. It was inspired a lot of students to study more so that they can get to that level that the governor or the president will look up to them and say, this is what you deserve. So it's a good big congratulations to this student for 2 million naira to start up his life and a 2-room bedroom bungalow. This is a good start for a student like this. So congratulations, guys. Hey, welcome back. That was from the student who won the best student of 2020, giving 2-bedroom bungalow and 2 million naira cash from the governor of Ogun State. So big one for that. So move on to our next topic for today. Singer Peter Okoye say he is making more money than he did under P Square, the new default music group he shared with Paul Okoye, his twin brother. So he explained this on an interview with Hip TV. So that presently he just released his debut album. That the album is called The Prodigal. That he's making more money this time than when he was together as a group with P Square, because nobody shares his money with him right now. But back then in P Square, they share in threes. Him, Paul, and Jude, their elder brother. But right now, everything belongs to him. And he have decision of himself right now. Even when they have a show, or for example, he have a show right now and his daughter is celebrating her birthday, he may cancel the show. But when they were together as P Square, he cannot do so because it's a group. He have to decline his birthday for her daughter and go to the show to provide the money for P Square group. So right now, this guy says it's more sufficient and stable, and anybody can call it whatever they want to call it. This is what he said. So you can watch the video up here.
I'm making more money as a solo act, Mr. P. She don't like to be designer, and I love it every China. My Paloma. Songwriter, artist, and dancer Peter Okoye, professionally known as Mr. P in a chat with Hip TV, says he makes more money now as a solo act than as a member of the defunct P Square duo because he no longer has to split his earnings 3 ways. In his own words,
100% I am. I don't have to share 3 ways. Call it greed, call it selfishness. It's your own cup of tea. I don't share with nobody. Yes, my management and my team, fine. But it's me doing my own thing. I'm making more money. I'm more free. When I mean freedom is key. I can get a call up that there's a show next week and it's my daughter's birthday. I'll tell them to come.
Yeah, that was from P Square. Peter, the former P Square, Mr. P. That was what he said on the interview. So if you support him, if you don't support, you can drop your comment below. This is where I draw the curtain for today. Thank you. I remain your humble boy, Puff Boy TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to all social. Hello, Puff Boy.